Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, Lerato Kganyago has deleted her Twitter account because people are just not so kind to Lerato Kganyago. I don't know, what did she do? And you would think it's only women who are against her, but it's even men. Men are also in this whole situation. They are bullying her for defending Uchidima Adechina. Guys, Lerato Kganyago is not the only celebrity who defended Uchidima Adechina. Even Peltusi was defending Uchidima, but people didn't bully her. Even Prince KB posted that she wishes Uchidima win this pageant. But you guys were not bullying him. When it comes to Lerato Kganyago, she is always bullied on the internet. Abo Musa Kaula, they were just bullying her. And they even remind her that she can't have children. So she was live reading comments, reading all the hateful comments that people have been saying to her, but she was not even, she didn't look hurt or something like that. Or maybe she cried about it and then she was just over it, when she was reading the comments. But one of the comments there said that is why God doesn't give her children. It's because she is heartless. She hates South Africans. Guys, fertility is a very, very sensitive issue. And for the fact that she was able to be public about it, she was able to, own it. She didn't try to make it look like, she was honest and public about it, and now people are using it against her. Every time she is involved in some beef nyana, it always comes with, you can't even have children. That's why she can't even have children. This guy said that's why God can't even bless her with a child. For her to read that comment and not break down, I don't know. She is so strong, guys. I wouldn't be able to just read a comment like that and not break down and not cry, because it's a lot kuningi, but I don't know if people are jealous of her or what. But she is being bullied in the internet, guys. She is being bullied. And she was just stating her mind, as a lot of people are stating their minds in this matter. So it is what it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.